money, man, my money rubber banded, she get silly. I used to drink the color purple, my blood ain't silly. Take it out 200 at your toss that to the ceiling. I got me a brand new coupe and I took off the ceiling.
Are you sorry? No. Can't do that today.
Easy boost? Is that who it is?
Wait, what? No.
New turbo.
But yeah, pipes all welded up and everything. These aren't coming apart. They're not the prettiest. This right here is a pretty decent weld. These suck.
Yeah,
these suck. But I built them the hell up because I just didn't trust the little bit because it's a joint here.
Right.
Here's a straight joint. I didn't trust a little bitty weld there. Yeah, right. You know, and I was like, oh, that looked like where it could leak, and that looked like where it could leak. So I was just like, cake.
Yeah.
I had to TIG weld this. I had to TIG weld this.
Are fun.
Yeah, I had to TIG weld this over here.
Oh,
this is a good weld all the way down, I think. Yeah, when you had the turbo, you know how the wastegate's down here?
Yeah.
Was down here before? Yeah. The turbo will be right here, and the wastegate will be right here.
Gotcha.
There's going to be a bracket right here that's holding the turbo up in its spot, and then this will have to go like really close and down, but it'll be pretty sweet.
I'm gonna miss the T51, but besides that,
difference.
that's sick.
Different, huh?
Yeah. That is sick.
Prevent some flames from going back up in there. Yeah, I don't want flames going up, you know, that way or that way. So it's like, you know what? I'll just go all the way around it. It's not the prettiest, but it extended the
Looks
pipe.
good. Looks
And
good.
Made it a little bit bigger at the end. So, all right, now. That go right there and that was cool. Those rings are much better than
The ones that came with
the
it.
O-rings that were on it, yeah.
Yeah. I'm so happy with how it's turning out.
Me too.
Get your merch, you already know Daddy's money coming soon. Nick, it's a bad fucking day. You know what today is, right?
I don't.
What's happening today? You got mold on your shirt.
It's not mold. Paint.
Since he wants to act like he doesn't know what today is, it's a bad fucking day. Alright, we have the WRX top mount turbo kit on the FA-20 coming live at you with the GTX2867R turbo kit from your boy. It's a bad day, and we are not letting you down today because we're going to have a turbo whistle start up on 3, 2, psych, we got you there. There ain't no turbo startup right there. We're gonna give you a little bit of a lead up to this one, but I am completely ecstatic. It has been a moment in the waiting. Man, damn. it does, it moves like smoothly, you know?
Yeah.
It's not, I can't wait.
We're gonna do the first start. He's gonna take a video of this. Yep, I'm ready.
Alright, here she goes. First start. Time to see that. Definitely expected it to be a little bit louder, but
I told you it's gonna muffle the sound a bit because it's a smaller turbo.
it's not.
Open.
Yeah, I had it closed.
I wanted to see what it would sound like without the loud noise. It's to the left. To the left, hold it. Yeah. Yeah, you hear a lot more. Yeah, give her a little gas. Should we do it with the cutoff closed so we can hear more turbo? Is that? Yeah, that's open. Yeah. I love it. I love it. But
I haven't closed the hood yet to see where the turbo sits. Yeah, man. That's perfect.
How you wanna get it back? She can't help but get attached.
That's ridiculous. And that blade's probably toast. Yeah, it was cutting too fast and it
sweet. After lots of long work. After lots of long and hard work, he's finished off the build. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem, man. I love this car.
I love it too. I'm happy I have it.
Put a lot of attention and detail in it.
Yeah. I can tell that you really were working on it as if it were your car. You wanted it to be perfect. I appreciate that.
Now I want it to be second.
So we got the car lowered. Before we had a bigger turbo on here. This turbo could not build enough boost, so we changed the pipe leading up to the turbo. It's hard to see under there, but the black pipe over there. And now it's pushing 2 inches up to the turbo. Man, this is sweet. No more games. Let's go. Give her a little send right here under this bridge. Won't get that bitch. Alright. Good shit, Chief. He's like, I gotta let this